Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are back at Walgreens and I found a deal today by accident, but man, this is a heck of a deal. And I know that a lot of you that are in and out of Walgreens, you might know exactly where these are and you're like, yes, I can go and do this deal. I would do this deal ASAP because it is so fantastic. I think there's flames coming from my keyboard. It's so fantastic. So these Christmas Air Effects by FEBREZE are on clearance. And there is a promotion to buy 3 Air Effects this week and to get back a $3 register reward. Unfortunately, I don't have a digital coupon to go with, or I didn't load it, or I wasn't thinking. But even just rolling a bit of Walgreens cash to get that register reward, it is in fact working. So the 2 scents that I tested this on today is the Winter Spruce and Fig and Plum. So the lavender bottle and then the Christmas one. One is 69 cents and the other one I think was 85. And the only reason why I even considered doing this deal was the manager at the Dollar General yesterday, when it was like air care craziness, he said to me that Fig and Plum, he had bought them all when they were 50% off because that was his absolute favorite and it was the most elegant air care ever. And I was like, okay, based on that, I've been influenced. There was 3 left, so I grabbed 3 of them. Going to find them either in the clearance section or one of these side caps where they have them, and that's where I've seen them at the stores, and it's near the laundry care aisle. So if you know, you know, and if you've seen them around, don't be shy to grab a couple and then bring them to the front and ask the cashier for a price check if they are not tagged. But they were like really, really cheap. So Fig and Plum was ringing up for 85 cents. It is this purple one, and I've yet to smell it, but I have the oil in this now, so I'm ready. And then just to show you my receipt, 3 of them was $2.55. So the regular price was $4.29, and they are on clearance for 85 cents. And I basically rolled a bit of Walgreens cash. I bought something else too, so that's why it's $3.45. But at $2.55, roll $2 in Walgreens cash, pay the 55 cents plus tax, and then you're going to get back a $3 register reward for buying 3 of them. So if you happen to find 6, break it up into 2 separate transactions, so you can get 2 register rewards. See what I'm saying? Because the register reward will only print once per transaction over at Walgreens. So, I mean, I get to try this now for free. I know a lot of you were unable to participate in the Dollar General after Christmas 25-cent air care. It's not a possibility, or everything mysteriously vanished, or whatever the story is. A lot of you were disappointed you couldn't get a big cart full of air care. So this is an opportunity. If you've seen these, make something happen. So this is the other scent that was just a bit cheaper, and I don't understand why. So I grabbed 3 of this one. And then to show you my receipt, they were ringing up for 69 cents. So for 3 of them, it's $2.07. I just used $2 in Walgreens cash, paid down the balance, and got my $3 register reward. So again, I would look for them side caps in clearance near the laundry care aisle. If you've seen them around, sometimes you keep a mental checklist of what you've been seeing. I've seen these at many stores. Like, people are not buying them, or they just don't care about Christmas air care anymore. Make it happen over at Walgreens. Last piece of business I want to touch on before I take off. These 2 boosters that popped up. The top one showed up, I think, on Tuesday, and the other one showed up this morning. So 10 back when you send 50 plus in the Walgreens app. That's valid from Friday the 26th till Monday. And is it going to stack with the other booster that we have from earlier in the week? We will figure that out on Friday. And then this one showed up for next week. So it's starting on Sunday the 28th. Right till the 4th of February, and I got a 7 back when you spend 30 on both of my accounts. The more that you shop, the more of these boosters that you get. It's always a lottery what you get, but definitely that app one. I'm hoping the 10 back when you spend 50, everybody received it, and I will be looking at some deals to go with that one. And if you have seen that clearance FEBREZE, make those deals happen. It's printing out the register rewards on both of those scents. I would go and do it right away. And if you are curious about Fig and Plum, I certainly am. That's why I was influenced to buy it. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.